Imagine a world where machines not only perform tasks, but learn and improve over time. Isn't that the future of manufacturing we all dream of? Welcome to the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI, which is swiftly transforming the manufacturing industry. In this new world, machines are not just tools, they are intelligent systems capable of learning and self-improvement. The potential of AI in manufacturing is truly staggering. It offers tremendous benefits such as increased efficiency and reduced waste. Imagine production lines that adapt on the fly, minimizing downtime and reducing the amount of wasted materials. Imagine quality control systems that learn from each product they inspect, continuously enhancing their ability to spot defects and ensure only the highest quality products leave the factory. The dream is now a reality for some companies. They are harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize their production processes, leading to unprecedented levels of efficiency and quality. Let's delve into some real-life examples. Take the case of General Motors, for instance. This auto manufacturing giant has harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize its manufacturing processes. One of the standout applications of AI at General Motors is predictive maintenance. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, the company can anticipate when a piece of equipment is likely to fail or require service. This allows them to address potential issues proactively, reducing downtime and saving on repair costs. AI also plays a pivotal role in quality control at General Motors. Advanced image recognition systems are used to inspect parts and vehicles, identifying defects or anomalies that may be missed by the human eye. This not only enhances the quality of the vehicles but also contributes to improving the overall efficiency of the production process. But General Motors isn't the only player in the game. Siemens, a global powerhouse in industrial manufacturing, is using AI to create what's known as digital twins. These are virtual replicas of physical systems, allowing Siemens to run simulations and test scenarios in a risk-free environment. This usage of AI for predictive modeling can lead to more efficient production lines, better product design, and ultimately, a safer working environment. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing manufacturing. Intrigued by the possibilities of AI in the manufacturing sector? Well, the future is here, and it's more fascinating than you could ever imagine. Keep up with the revolutionary changes, breakthroughs, and the cutting-edge applications of artificial intelligence in manufacturing. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to our channel. We'll bring you the latest developments right from the heart of this AI revolution. Don't miss out on the future. Subscribe today for more insightful content on how AI is shaping our world.